Imagine standing on the surface of Mars, not in a spacesuit, but breathing the air, feeling a gentle breeze on your face, and watching clouds drift across a blue sky. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you that transforming Mars into a habitable world might be within our reach? In this episode, we will discuss a step-by-step guide to how we can terraform Mars. We're going to explore how humanity might reshape an entire planet. But before we dive in, let me ask you this. What if I told you that the technology to begin this process might already exist, and that some scientists believe we could start seeing results within our lifetime? Intrigued? Then let's embark on this interplanetary journey together. Step 1. Understanding the challenges. To terraform Mars, we need to overcome three major hurdles: increasing atmospheric pressure, raising the surface temperature, and creating a magnetic field to protect the atmosphere. Let's break these down one by one. Step 2. Building the atmosphere. Mars's atmosphere is currently about 1% as thick as Earth's. To make it habitable, we need to thicken it dramatically. Here's how we might do it. Release carbon dioxide from the polar ice caps, trigger a greenhouse effect, and introduce greenhouse gases. One proposed method involves using large orbital mirrors to reflect sunlight and heat the Martian surface. This could release carbon dioxide trapped in the polar ice caps, kickstarting a greenhouse effect. Step 3. Warming the planet. As we build up the atmosphere, we'll naturally start to warm the planet, but we can accelerate this process. Remember those orbital mirrors? They could be adjusted to direct light and heat exactly where we need it most. We could also introduce super greenhouse gases like perfluorocarbons. These are incredibly effective at trapping heat and could significantly speed up the warming process. Step 4. Creating a magnetic shield. One of the biggest challenges in terraforming Mars is its lack of a magnetic field. Without it, solar winds would quickly strip away any atmosphere we create. But scientists have proposed an ingenious solution. By placing a magnetic dipole shield at the L1 Lagrange point between Mars and the Sun, we could create an artificial magnetosphere to protect the entire planet. This could allow Mars to start rebuilding its atmosphere naturally over time. Step 5. Introducing water and life. As Mars warms and pressure increases, we could start to see liquid water on the surface. The polar ice caps would melt, potentially covering up to 1/7 of the planet's surface with water. With water present, we could introduce hardy Earth organisms like certain algae and bacteria. These could help produce oxygen and begin the long process of creating a breathable atmosphere. Step 6. The long game. It's important to understand that terraforming Mars would be a long-term project, potentially taking centuries or even millennia to complete fully. But the exciting part is that we could start seeing significant changes within our lifetime. Now, you might be wondering, is this really possible with our current technology? The answer is, not quite yet. NASA has stated that terraforming Mars is not possible with present-day technology. But science and technology are advancing rapidly, and what seems impossible today might be achievable tomorrow. Terraforming Mars represents one of the greatest challenges and opportunities for humanity. It's a testament to our ingenuity, our ambition, and our desire to explore and expand beyond our home planet. While we may not be packing our bags for Mars just yet, the ideas and technologies we're developing in pursuit of this goal are already benefiting us here on Earth. From climate science to renewable energy, the dream of terraforming Mars is pushing us to innovate in ways that could help us better care for our own planet. So can we terraform Mars? With determination, innovation, and time, it just might be possible. The red planet could one day be our second home among the stars. What do you think? Is terraforming Mars a dream worth pursuing? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more space and science content. Until next time, keep looking up.